Power transmission lines deliver electricity to homes and industries. Insulator discs are used to isolate live conductor wires from the transmission towers. Accumulated dust on ceramic insulator discs can lead to dangerous sparks and corona discharge, endangering the stability of high-power transmission lines. Traditional dry cleaning methods often lead to cracks and tears, further compromising the disc's health. While water cleaning avoids surface damage, using too much water can still negatively impact the disc's performance. A team of researchers, led by Stephen Larkin, has developed wet cleaning mechanism for insulator discs. The patented technology is self-powered and incorporated a wind turbine for water harvesting. The blades of this innovative turbine are smartly inspired by desert beetles, which have the remarkable ability to collect water from the atmosphere. By mimicking their natural design, our team has developed a structure that efficiently captures moisture from the air. This collected water is then directed onto brushes coated with hydrophobic nanomaterials to clean the insulator discs, ensuring that the system remains effective and self-sufficient. The cleaning system features a Lego-like structure that can be expanded as required, allowing use in multi-sized insulator strings. A sensor device is mounted on the turbine, which continuously monitors the disc's condition and ensures its health is maintained. The turbine blades feature a unique design to effectively collect water from the atmosphere. The system uses Lego-like structures, making it highly scalable and adaptable. Highly sensitive sensors are integrated to monitor the health of the disc, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. The device enables autonomous insulator health monitoring and maintenance, which is a revolutionary concept in the power transmission industry.